In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change saturation in Darktable. If you've ever wanted your colors to pop a bit more, or to dial things back for a softer, more natural look, saturation is the control you'll reach for. Darktable makes this easy and precise, and you don't need to touch multiple modules to get a great result. Start by opening your photo in the darkroom view. This is where all the editing happens, and it gives you a live preview of every change. Once your image is open, enable the Color Balance RGB module. If you don't see it right away, use the module search bar and type its name. When it's active, you'll notice that it's designed for clean, modern color control that plays well with Darktable's scene-referred workflow. Within the module, look for the global controls. The main dial you'll use here is Global Saturation. This slider changes the intensity of all colors across the entire image at once. Drag it to the right to make colors richer and more vibrant. Drag it to the left to tone them down. Small, deliberate moves usually look more natural. Think of it like seasoning food. A little goes a long way. If the image starts to look crunchy or artificial, pull back a touch. Negative values can be useful too when you're going for a restrained, editorial feel or want to minimize distractions. If the overall change feels good, but certain areas still need refinement, move to the saturation controls for shadows, midtones, and highlights. These let you fine-tune specific tonal ranges without affecting the rest. Boosting saturation in the midtones often adds presence to skin, foliage, and most subjects, while keeping highlights more neutral can preserve a clean, airy look in skies and bright surfaces. Conversely, reducing saturation in deep shadows can help avoid color noise and keep dark areas from turning muddy, while a slight increase in highlight saturation can add sparkle to sunsets and neon without overwhelming the scene. Think of these three ranges as your color balance knobs for different brightness zones. Subtle adjustments here can elevate the whole image. As you work, toggle the module's on-off switch to compare before and after. This quick check keeps your edits honest and ensures your adjustments serve the photo rather than overpower it. When the colors feel cohesive, you're done. With just the global saturation and the tonal range controls in Color Balance RGB, you have an elegant, streamlined way to shape saturation across the entire image or precisely where it counts.